And I'm back. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have my April Birchbox and look at my nails. They're matching this box and I'm so excited to see what they send us this month. I know there is a makeup brush inside, and yeah, if you're curious like me and you want to see what I got this month, then please keep watching. Oh my god, I totally forgot. This month is in collaboration with Tous. And this is a jewelry box. They designed a jewelry box and this is so gorgeous. Isn't she pretty? Like, whoa. Okay, so I'm going to open it. That's so beautiful. I love the color. I love this rose gold. Wait a minute. I love this rose gold design, I guess. Right, so let's see what we have inside, and it says Eres única, you are unique. Birchbox and Tous. So yeah, this month theme is you are unique, but you already know that, right? And yeah, let's dig in. We have a Tous card and it says Mama, I love you. And it's so pretty. So this is just a card from Tous and they show us their jewelry. They don't have, oh yes, they do have prices, and oh my god, what? Just a pendant is like 259 euros only. So yeah, they have glasses and they are only 169 euros. Okay, Tous, thank you, but no thank you. Alright, so let's see. The first product I see is this huge bottle, and this is by the brand Naobay, and I really like this brand. This is natural and organic, and this is a color protect shampoo. And I love this brand because they use natural origin products, and all their products are coming from organic farming. So this is such a good brand. They have skincare, they have hair care, body lotions and stuff like that. Oh yeah, this smells delicious. So this is for colored hair. My hair is not colored right now, but I want to go blonde for the summer. Well, not entirely blonde. I want to go for that ombre effect. I want to lighten my ends. That's why I'm growing my hair, and it's kind of hard right now, and this is so random, but I had that ombre effect 3 or 4 years ago and I loved it so much, and it was beautiful. And then, I don't know, my brain went crazy and I wanted to go jet black. So from that beautiful blonde ombre I went to jet black, and it was super dark because it was blonde. And anyway, and then I wanted to go again for ombre effect. So from jet black I wanted to go again with that ombre effect, and that didn't work. Yeah, that's a very long story. My hair wasn't happy then. It's not happy right now, but what can I do? We are into this mess together, so that's that. Anyway, this was super random. So this retails for 9 euros and 95 cents. And yeah, if you're looking for a natural, organic, vegan and cruelty-free shampoo, I do recommend you Naobay products. They are so good. And honestly, I didn't know that this was made in Spain. I thought it was Korean brand, but yeah, my fault. So you can find Naobay on birchbox.com.uk, and also you can find them at naobay.com. This is not sponsored. I just really enjoy their products. Oh my god, I feel like I am talking too much, right? Alright, so the next product, I'm going to go with the brush because I was excited to try this. So this is from the brand Spectrum, and I don't think I heard of this brand before. So this is like oh, it has that annoying Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to use this to apply my highlight because I didn't apply highlight. And this feels so soft. But you can totally use this to set your concealer or even to contour your cheekbones. What else? I think it's a little bit too big for the eye area, but yeah, it's very soft. And this retails for €8.95. Right, I'm going to apply Macchiato from my Dominique Cosmetics palette. Is this gorgeous shade right here, and let's see. Feels nice. So yeah, I think this is just perfect to apply highlight, even blush, I guess. I don't know, but it's cute. And I like it because it's white and it has rose gold. It's super cute. Alright, so next we have this cute little bottle, and this is by the brand Cougar, and it says by Paula Dune. And this is Marine Collagen Eye Serum, Brightening and Lightening. Oh yeah. Alright, so they say we have developed an innovative eye gel that is guaranteed to leave eyes feeling awake, toned, smooth and wrinkle free. This wonderful cooling anti-aging eye gel calms the look of dark circles, tones and refreshes in one go. So yeah, this has 15 milliliters and this is the full size. I can't believe that Birchbox sent us the full size of this product, and this retails for €19.90. And yeah, I haven't got an eye serum in a very long time. Thank you, Birchbox. I'm excited to try this one. This sounds amazing. Alright, so we have only 2 more products left, and let's go with this one. This is a trio eyeshadow palette, I guess. So this is by the brand The Beauty Crop. They have a huge eyeshadow palette. This is the trio that we get in the Birchbox as a sample size, obviously, but they have a huge palette right here. This is in the shade Love You So Latte. Or maybe Love You So Late, I don't know. The colors are pretty nice. I have 1 matte color and 2 shimmers right here, and I'm going to swatch them in a second. And yeah, this retails for €25. I mean the whole palette, not this little trio. Alright, so I'm going to swatch them and see. And yeah, the matte shade doesn't look too pigmented. Let's see. Yeah, it's not crazy pigmented, but it looks nice. Alright, so I think it's very buildable, but this feels very smooth and doesn't smell. Alright, so this is the matte shade. I don't know if you can see. Next I'm going to try the gold one, and this is so pretty. It's not very sparkly, but this feels so creamy and so smooth. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. Oh, that's pretty. And the last one. This feels a little bit more powdery. And let's see how this swatches. Yeah, that feels smooth and creamy. And it's pretty. So yeah, this is cute. I haven't heard of this brand before, the Beauty Crop. I don't know, let me know down below. Have you heard of this brand? Wait a second, they have names. So highlight is Vanilla Latte, so I'm guessing this is the highlight. This is Vanilla Latte. Then we have Blend and Shadow, and it's called French Roast. I'm guessing it's the matte one. And then we have Define and Line, and it's called Midnight Blend. So it should be this shimmery, darker one. So that's cute, and also this is cruelty free. Alright, so the last product in this month we have this Elancyl Slim Design Slimming Oil. Caffeine in IV, resculpts, reduces and detoxifies. That's cute. Let's see how this smells. Oh, that smells so refreshing. Has that citrusy, flowery scent. So this is for cellulite and stretch marks, and says that you'll see results in only 7 days. Alright, so this retails for 27 €23 and is an oil to reduce cellulite and stretch marks and smells very, very refreshing. And as I said, this has caffeine and IV. That's interesting. Alright guys, so this was my April Birchbox, and I think Tous nailed it with this box design because it's so pretty. And I was very happy to see new brands and new products in my Birchbox this month, because trying the same brands all over again is kind of boring. And yeah, I was happy to see new brands this month, and I'm so excited to try this eye serum because I need this like ASAP. The brush was okay. I liked how this applied my highlight. I have to play a little bit more with this, of course. And also I want to try this like tomorrow because these shadows look so nice on my hands. So probably in my next video I'm going to use this and see how they perform on my eyes. And yeah, I really like this month products. It was good. Birchbox, you did very nice this month. And yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Okay, that was perfectly fine. Nice. Good. Okay. Oh my god, this lash is not. That's very shimmery. You see my hair is kind of curly because I applied that Briogeo scalp treatment, and then I put my hair into a braid, and then I slept with it. And this morning it was this curly, but I don't like it. Anyway, don't mind it, okay? This lash is not cooperating today, so Mama, what the heck is wrong with you? Like, why? Yeah. Show.